Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to open PDF in Photoshop. We start by opening Photoshop, and then we go to the File menu, and then click on Open. After that, we locate the PDF document and double-click on it to open it. After this, a window will appear to select the content. We can choose what we are going to select, such as pages or images. If we choose pages, the final composition of that page will be selected as an image. And if you choose images, the images that the document has will be extracted. To select multiple items at once, hold down the Control key and click on the image. Then, on the right side, you can configure the appearance of the import by selecting, for example, the size or type of crop. Finally, once everything is ready, click OK, and we will see that the images of the PDF document are imported into separate tabs. We will see that if we change the import type, the final result will also vary. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.